we can talk about different things regarding this, but I want you to go and look by yourself, so you can read a lot of different things related to this topic. I hope so. So thank you. Let's go to the wind energy. So still now we have seen two types of renewable energy sources. The first one was bioenergy, right? And the second one was hydropower. And here we have wind energy. So what I need you to know is, it's kind of broad, but I'm trying to make it concise. So I want you to take this as an introduction, as an impression, and as a reference, so you can have know-how about this, so you can refer any topic that you need. So let's carry on, guys. So the first thing is, what's wind energy? Wind energy is converting of wind power to electric power using windmills or turbines. So we have wind, right? Here we have wind. So we need to convert this wind into, let's say, electrical power. So we are going to use wind turbines or windmills. I think these windmills are quite old. Yeah. When we were talking about the brief history of renewable energy, we were talking about in 200 BC, this technology was first created, right? Yeah, I hope so. If don't get me wrong, you can go and check it, but this was the first concept. But the concept is, we have wind and we need to convert it into electric power. So either you use wind turbine or windmill. So electricity produces sent transformers where voltage increases and sends the power grid via transmission lines. There is transformer, the transmission tower, the transmission line, the whole process, the whole infrastructure, which makes it costly, right? But after we implement or after we install these energy sources, they do have long-lasting impact into the energy sources, right? So if we see the historical overview, wind has been used by people for over 3,000 years for grinding grain and pumping water. I think we were talking about this in the history. They were trying to pump water through the wind using a windmill, which is, there is a circular wheel. So there are there are jars attached to the wheel. So when it rotates, it can take out water from the lake or from the sea. So it can pour it into a pipe. So you can, through the pipe, you can take the water to your home to pour your household equipments or to pour your jar. So it was used for grinding grain and pumping water. Windmills were an important part of life for many communities. This is the same thing, right? Wind was first used, I want you to focus here, for electricity generation in the late 19th century, for electricity generation. So it's all about, it starts from grinding grain and pumping water, and here now we're using it to generate electricity, which is quite interesting for us, because we can use this resource. It can help us move from fossil fuels to renewable energy sources, which is our mission related to the Sustainable Development Goal 7. Which is all about providing clean and affordable energy sources by 2050. Yeah, you can see these are the types of the windmills that people were using before. The same thing here, we have this, and this. Yeah, as you can see, these are the current existing wind turbines. Even here in Ethiopia, we have a lot of areas, a lot of windy areas. So they install these equipments, and they are generating. I don't remember the exact amount of power they generate, but we call this a shogara, that we have installed these equipments, these wind energy source equipments like the wind turbines, and we have enough amount of sources in order to use for wind and for solar.